Beginner's Guide to Afterpay WooCommerce Integration is designed to help you understand the process of integrating Afterpay with your WooCommerce store. To start, you need to have a WooCommerce store and an Afterpay account. Afterpay is a payment gateway that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments. First, you need to install the Afterpay plugin in your WooCommerce store. You can download the plugin from the official WooCommerce website or directly from the WordPress plugin repository. Once you have downloaded the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and upload the plugin file. Then activate it. After activating the plugin, you need to configure the settings. Go to the WooCommerce settings section and click on Payments. You will see Afterpay listed as one of the payment options. Click on Afterpay and enter your Afterpay API keys, which you can obtain from your Afterpay account. You also need to set up the payment terms and conditions, such as the minimum and maximum amount that can be paid using Afterpay. Once you have configured the settings, you need to test the integration. Go to your store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to the checkout page and select Afterpay as the payment option. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to complete the payment successfully. Some best practices to keep in mind when integrating Afterpay with WooCommerce include making sure that your store meets the Afterpay requirements, such as having a secure checkout process and complying with the terms and conditions. You should also test the integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay with WooCommerce is a straightforward process that can help you offer your customers more payment options. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your WooCommerce store and start offering installment payments to your customers. This can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction, as customers can pay for their purchases in a way that is convenient for them.